Do you have below gasket cutting problems? Low productivity? Rely on labor experience, high labor cost, more material waste, and high scrap rate?
Hello everyone, it's Amanda from Omni. Welcome to our channel. This time I will show you a great gasket cutting solution. And why digital cutting machine, what gaskets it can cut, and machine features. Let's start it.
Suggest you to choose a digital cutting machine for gasket cutting. Here are 4 reasons for you. Number one, IPT Delivery. No sorts of gasket cutting tools. No requirement for opening punches or dead impact hammers. No need to wait for a long time for the die cutting mold making. No requirement for several employees. Simply just one digital cutting machine. It gasket automatically with 10 times performance comparing the manually.
Number 2, custom gasket cutting.
If you want to lack premium quality customized seals to match all kinds of gaskets products like PTFE, single spring time seals, O-rings, and others, selecting high quality gasket cutting machine is vital. Here, the digital cutting machine is your best option. Many sealing applications use a custom-made gasket.
Number 3, less materials waste. Nesting function can reduce the time of gaskets preparation with maximum material utilization. Perfect solution for manufacturers who prepare large amounts of gaskets or use large amount of pieces. Number 4, be more competitive.
Precision cutting performance, short delivery time of custom gasket cutting, low cost owing to less material waste, low scrap rate, get you will be more competitive on the market and more benefits you will get. Then you must ask what gasket material it can cut. It cuts almost all non-metallic gasket materials,
like rubber, non-asbestos, felt, PTFE, sponge, cork.
What are the digital cutting machine features? Digital cutting machine features a 2000 mm by 6000 mm table max. The machine for custom and complex shapes such as heat exchanger gaskets.
Without a need to wait for dies to be made or associated tooling charge for the project, both the cost and lead times were significantly reduced. Additionally, using Omni digital cutting machine ensures that your CAD drawing is saved after the first cut, which can be essential for last-minute production runs or tight deadline drawing jobs. Digital cutting machine allows for precise positioning for manufacturing and a high degree of repeatability for efficient production runs. Omni digital cutting machine also includes conveyor table. The advantage to use this type of machine is that there is less of limitation on material length. It can provide better yield and use of materials. This is the most effective and efficient manufacturing method for each application. So, it can ensure the gasket meets all of your requirements and tolerance. This machine provides full production capabilities and can manufacture gasket quantities from prototype and short run through large production runs.
Gasket and sealer manufacturer, you must have realized that not just bench work on die cutting, there is more and more demanding on custom gasket cutting and with high tolerance requirements. If you aim at providing customers with high-performance gaskets and sealing products, competitive price, on-time delivery, digital cutting is a must-have option. Get you will content pump more competitive.